In this video, I use an axe, I use some wires, and I remove an enclosure. This Deloptiplex was found in a scrap bin. There's a button here, and another one at the other side, so I'm assuming... Does it lift up? Oh,
guess we can just start taking everything out. CD drive. CD drive is out. Wait, how do we check if there's a CD in here? Because there might actually be one. Alright, looks like there's some screws at the bottom. There we go, right. So we just lift that up. Oh, hello. Oh, I think this has been off before. Okay. Is there a CD in there? Alright, let's just try and... Oh. Okay. There is no disc in that. This bit is quite sharp. Let's try and open it. Alright, so it looks like this thing here reads all the discs. There we go. Alright, yeah. So when you put the disc in here, what it looks like is this thing just scans it up and down like that because it's got these two bars here. Can we get this mechanism out? Whilst this thing does its job, there looks to be a motor here. Alright, so we can try and pry this up. Oh, hang on. It looks like this whole plastic bit's come out. Okay, that's back in. So let's just take this motor out and then we should be able to just slam the DVD drive up and down. Okay, maybe we can't. This thing is like 24 years old, so this thing's holding up quite well. Oh wait, there's another motor here. Wait, look at this thing. You know what, I reckon we can just like hit this bit out. So instead of prying it with a screwdriver, we can just like... Oh, well, he got that off. I mean, the tray doesn't slide in and out anymore, but we got this thing off. So that's the actual sensor that reads the disc, and it pretty much just slides up and down whilst it spins. So we can try and open this thing up. So that's done something. You can probably see here, there is, well, the sensor is gone. We might have to hit this down the other way so we can slide the tray back in. There we go. You're going to go back in. Alright, so the tray's in. Oh, one of these metal bars have come out. And to be fair, this thing's pretty much is just plastic. Looks like it's held in by two screws here. Oh no, not the motor. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. You know why it's come out? Oh no, the motor steam's fine, it still spins. Oh, well, it took the tray out. You know what, this plastic is actually quite strong for being 20 years old, because it normally just becomes brittle. Okay. Oh, we took one of the screws out. I reckon we can separate this from its enclosure. Oh, it's took some keys off my keyboard. Where's all these keys gone? No idea which way round they go, but they go one way. It's still on, to be fair. Let's try and chop this cable off. There we go. Cable's gone. Oh my god, okay, everything has fallen. So let's see how strong this tray is. It's actually alright. Should we chop this in half? Let's see how well this 3D printed ghost can handle an axe. Trim these arm off. Okay. Well, now he's sort of in half. You know what? Let's chop this in half. Oh yeah, it's plastic, it shatters, doesn't it? It doesn't like... This is a good bit of metal here, look at that. I reckon... Yeah, look, that's quite strong. The sensor's magnetic. Look at that. What is this? You know what? Let's get that out. Oh, wait, we could literally just peel the sticker off. Is this just a magnet? So from the CD drive, we've harvested a few motors, which we can probably put on something. Oh, there's a magnet here. Hang on, look at that. Alright, now we can chop the CPU in half. I'm joking, we're not going to do that. I'll see what I can do with this. There's pretty much loads of plastic pieces everywhere now. But at least we know what a CD drive looks like from the inside. Oh, wait, the magnets are there. Should we see how strong this cable is? I mean, it is just a cable, but... Yep, alright, not very strong. I reckon I can take that off by just tapping it with the axe. Okay, you know what? Oh. Okay, why is it not coming off anymore? We might as well chop the connector head off. Watch it explode. Now let's see how durable this chopping board is. Okay, you know what? Chopping board's actually quite durable. Right, but we got some earphones that are a bit broke. I mean, the right one doesn't work, so... Maybe we have to chop it off in the case. Okay, they've just exploded. Where have they gone? I don't know where the left one's gone, but we got the right one, and this case is still... Oh, that was literally... I barely put any force into that. I guess we can chop this in half. Okay, look at that. Do you reckon it still charges? I mean, the right charger never works, but how about the left one? The lid still holds. And that one's also... I guess it's just a case then. Quite strong. I'll give it that. What about the lids? Does that... Oh, hello. There's just a load of thin plastic underneath the top plastic, and then it... Where did it go? I've actually lost it. So now let's just put this computer back together. Well, let's first start off with inserting whatever this card is. Where did it go? I don't remember. You can slide that in here. Is that it? Yeah, that'll do. And I'm assuming these RAM sticks work because this computer doesn't like make any error code noises when it turns on. Put them in there, slot them in. We might as well put them both at the end slots because why not? This is a heatsink here and it's for something. You know what? That's a weird looking CPU power cable. I mean, I'm assuming that's CPU power cable because that's the other one. 105 watt power supply. Is that a laptop RAM slot? Hang on, let's rip these cables out. That thing there, is that a laptop RAM slot? You know what? I've got some RAM. Let's see if it can fit. I've got quite the selection of RAM. Let's see if any fit. DDR3. Oh. DDR... I could make it fit if I take that little... What is this for? DDR3 wasn't even invented back then. DDR3 looks like it will fit, but that notch is a bit too big. You know what? If you know what this slot's for, let me know in the comments. I mean, this is laptop RAM from the year that this thing probably would have been released. So, and it doesn't... What is this slot actually for? Alright, you know what? If you guys need some cables, I've got some IBM... Whatever these... Are these IBM cables? I don't know. Should we do an IBM cable giveaway? Guys, like, subscribe, and comment cream, and you can win these IBM cables. I'll send them straight to your house. Duracell battery. Is this original? What year were you made, my friend? It doesn't say. Now let's do sort of the build quality. This thing here is pure metal. See that? There is no rust whatsoever on this PC. No holes. It's quite thick metal, to be fair. If I left this outside for about a month, I reckon we can get like the rustic look on this. Let's try and fling this off. Oh, okay, that didn't... I was expecting it. Oh, okay, that's... How... That... Yeah, that's just landed in a box. What should we use these electric motors for? Wait, can we power them with a power supply? Is that a good idea? You know what, let's try it. Alright, we're going to use this for connecting the positive and negative leads to the motor. Oh, look at that. Fits snug. You know what, I've just literally tucked it in there. Alright, now let's plug it in. Oh my god, it spins! Look! It's not actually blown up. Look, we're spinning. I mean... Quite a strong motor, to be fair. I was expecting a bit of a loud bang, but we've got it to run. Should we see if this one spins? Because we did whack it with the axe slightly. Wait, what will happen if we touch them together? Oh, a spark. Hey, look, they glow red. Look at that. Let's actually spin the motor instead of trying to burn out the power supply. Actually, you know what? I reckon we could just plug this in. There we go. Motor spins. There's 2 sticks of RAM. These look like DDR1, I think. Wait, is this the CPU? Is the CPU just mounted to the side? It's not even, like, socketed into the motherboard. How does it even come out? I might just yank up on it till it... Oh, hey up. There we go. That was quite easy. Look at that cooler. This thing supports 3 sticks of RAM. There we go, that'll do. So it looks like it needs a VGA cable. Oh, I just saw it spin. We have got a light on. It's made some beeping noises. Alright, so I do not have a monitor with a VGA cable on it, so we might just have to take this apart, change some thermal paste, and assume it works. Let's try and replace the thermal paste on this. Hey. Does it pull it out? There we go, that worked. Oh, I think I was meant to push a clip in, but... Right, how do we take this heatsink off? Should we just pry it up? You know what, let's just... Oh, I think I've just bent the fins. We can bend that back. No idea how you take that off, but we'll come to that later. Let's try and take whatever this card is out. Do see 2 screws here. Does this come out? What is this? Oh, the whole thing comes out. Oh, look at that. Alright. And I don't think I have one of these hard drives laying around, so even if it would post, I can't really get it to turn on. You know what? How much RAM we got? We might as well have a little look at that. Does it say on there? I don't think it says. Well, we've got some RAM. Not really sure how much RAM we've got, but it's there. Anyways, my camera battery's low, so thank you people for watching this video, whatever it was. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll see you next week. Transition.